Good morning. So today, as we were continuing the design of turnover jig, and in this tutorial we are going to see how to insert standard elements like screws and some of the standard elements for jig, this kind of jig. So first I would like to add two clamps, two screws at this location. So in between the pin here, one in this location and another one on this location. So let us see that how to do it. So first let me edit the plate and add a screw hole here. So going to this plate, okay, let me activate this plate. Okay, then okay, let us make a sketch on this face, sketch. So okay, let us create a point, this geometry point, and I want to maintain this point in between these two edges. So let me draw a circle here. So this, let me make it 9.5. Okay, almost. So this dimension I will change to 18.8. Okay, or 18.7. Okay, 18.7, 18.75, whatever it may be, we can use this. Then okay, then here I want to just turn on the point display here, so that I can use this point to make a hole. So go to hole, and on this location, so a standard hole, and here I am going to change this to M8 into 1.25, and this is a through hole, and thread shape. This also I want to make through thread, so just add exit countersink. So this is 8, so we will give 9. So another countersink at the top also, that is also we will give 9. Then press middle button. Now we will mirror it, based on which plane, not this plane. Let me go here, references, this remove. Okay, then not. So we have created, now I can turn off the point display, also not required. Now I will show you how to insert a screw. So before that, first let us check how much should be the height of the screw. So for that, let us check here. So go to analysis, measure, select this face. So this you can see this here, this is the face of the component. No, not here, I think here. Okay, this once it came there. Okay, this face, press Ctrl and select this face, so that we are getting 25. So I'm going to insert a 30 mm screw, so that I will get some active threads for tightening. Okay. So I have some limitations, that is why I'm adding this kind of screw clamping here. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to use here the first one is I'm going to use McMaster car, MCMASTER, sorry, STERCARR, okay, and enter, so that I will get a website here. So in this website you can see that 5,95,000 products are available. So if you click here, you can see what are all the standard parts available here. So many, you can see on the left hand side also, so many items are available. So my intention is to insert screw. So I'm going here, screws and bolts, socket head screws, and here system of measurement. I have inch and metric, so I'm using metric. Click here. Then as we have just seen, we have to use M8 screw, M8, and the pitch is standard pitch is 1.25, so I'm using this 1.25. Then here is the length. You can see that it is from the bottom of this the head to the bottom edge, the other edge. So as I told you, we will be using M8 into 30 height. So now I want to use fully threaded only, not partially threaded, because this screw should pass through the plate completely. So I'm using this fully threaded. Then, so how to download this? You can click here the part number here. You can click. Then go to product detail. Here you can see that product detail is available. Then here you can see the preview here. So here CAD, near to CAD, you can see that 3D step format. If you click here, you will see different kind of format. So make sure that you are selecting the 3D step. Okay, then download, so that you will get the item downloaded here. It will take a few seconds. Okay, so it is ready now. You can go here, so show in folder, and it is better to rename right away. Rename it. So this is M8 into 30. Okay, so this is the procedure of downloading screws. So remaining screws I have already downloaded. So let me show you how to insert into this into the design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to file, then open. So here I have formats here, the Creo files type. Here I am going to change to, we have downloaded in the STEP format, step format. So you can select here step. Then you can see that M8 into 30 I have already downloaded. Then import, then OK. So then OK. File name is M8 into 30, then OK. So now you can see that this is the screw, M8 into 30 screw is available. So I'm going to save it, file, save as a copy. Okay, it is going into the working directory only. So what I can do, I can save it, save, turnover jig tutorial, M8 into 30, then OK. Okay, that is saved. Now I can assemble it. So assemble, select M8 into 30, M8 into 30 part, open. Now, so first I will select the bottom face, this face. This face, width, the face of the component. It is not normal, it is coincident. Okay, so the orientation is correct. Now I want to go to new constraint, and this diametrical face is coincident with this face, right? Then fully constrained, you can see that the getting the message fully constrained. Now what I can do is I can make a copy here. So copy and Control V, paste it. Now we can drag this outside. Okay, let it be there. Then this face and this face I can make it coincident. So fully constrained, automatically the bottom face is coincident already. So I have added 2 screws. Similarly, I want to add screws for this face. So let me check how much. See, already I have, as I told you, I have downloaded the screws. So now I want to analysis, measure from here to, now I am going to select this face. So this is 12 plus 12, 24. So 24 should be okay. M6, this hole is M6 hole. So here 2 plus 2, 4 screws are there. So let me do the same thing for M6 into 25 I have downloaded. So go to File, Open, then change the format here, STEP, then M6 into 25, import, then OK, then save it, file, save. Okay, so do the same thing for other screws as well. So file, open, file, open. So change here STEP format, STEP format, M6 into 45, import. Okay. So this I have selected partially threaded, no issue. File, save it. Okay. File, close it. Again, open. So here change the type, STEP, M6 into 60, import. Okay, save it. Okay, close it. So now let us assemble all those items. Let me see, one more item should be there. So this, okay, I am coming to that. Before that, let us assemble all the screws. So assemble, M6 into 25 part, open, then so this time I am using this face as my alignment face. So this is coincident, and this cylindrical face and this whole face should be coincident, right? So now I can copy this, Control C, Control V, then I can drag it, then go to placement. So this face and this face, flip, flip. Okay, let me remove this. Remove. Okay, so this face, remove. Okay, let us do once again this here, this face, and this face coincident, right? And oh, let me do once again. This face and this face. Okay, it is done. Now we will copy the same thing again. Once again, same thing. Control C, Control V. Okay, so that face with this face, I want to go to placement. Actually, I want to flip it. Flip. Okay. So this particular the whole. Okay, let me change this. Then okay. And one more time, we will copy this. Control C, Control V, and let us select this face, then okay. Now we will add screws for this. So this should be M6 into 60, and okay, whatever the size is, it is there. So assemble, then we will go for M6 into 45, open. So now we can use this surface and this surface coincident, flip it, placement. Okay, flipped, already flipped. Now new constraint, this face and the bottom of this face. Okay, right. So now we will copy quickly this one. Press Control C, Control V. Okay, then we'll select which face, this face. Fully constrained, not fully constrained. So go to placement and select the inner surface here. So what we can do is, can we hide this? Okay, let me move this, and select this face, fully constrained, then okay. Control C, Control V. So now we will select first this face, and let me move this. Then select this face, fully constrained, okay. Then again Control C, Control V. Now we will select this face, then move it, then select this face, then okay. So similarly we have to do the other four as well. Control C, Control V. So now we will go to placement first. So the coincident second one, this face, we will use this face. No, Okay, done. Again Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Then we will select this face, then move it, and select the bottom face, coincident, fully constrained. Okay. Again Control C, Control V. So select the cylindrical face now, then move it upward, then click on the face. Okay. Then again Control C, Control V. We will select the cylindrical face, then move it upward, and again select this face, then okay. So repeat the so I think I done a mistake here. Okay, undo that. So not undo, I will edit definition. So go to edit definition. So placement, the first placement coincident. So this is this we will remove, and we will select this face. Okay, then go to this constraint here, then remove this, then we will select this face, right? Okay, then again so this one edit definition. Oh, that is done. So this one, okay, this one edit definition, placement. So this we will remove, and we will add here, add this face, this surface here. Then go to this one, this we will remove, and we will add this surface, then okay. Okay, now finally we have to add these 4 screws assembled. So go to M6 into 60, open, then we can use this face with this cylindrical face, and this bottom face with this face. Okay, so this coincident, fully constrained. Okay, now we will select this, Control C, Control V. Now we will select this face, then we can drag it upward little bit to select make sure we are selecting this face, then okay. Control C, Control V. We can select this face. Okay, then drag upward or downward, wherever you want, and drag, then select the face, then okay. Press Control C, Control V. Then we will select this face, then we will drag downwards little bit and select this face, then okay. So we have completed. Now we are going to insert some stopper here, right? So for that we are going into another website, that is Moisburger, Meusburger, Moisburger. So if you go here, you can click on this site, so you can see that a lot of standard parts are available, but in this I'm going to products, then e-components here, e-components, and e-components machine and jig construction, one link is there. Okay, you can click here. Then if you go here, you can see that lot of different elements are available here. So I'm going to the category, all categories here. If I go here, I can see that different types of clamping, locating, holding. So you can download some of the locating pins here, and jig bush also available here. You can see somewhere. Okay, drill bush with collar, drill bush without collar. If you go here, you will find other subcategories as well. So actually my intention is to download see here also screws, dowels, everything is available. So actually I'm trying to download this item, support bolt. Okay, support bolt means some kind of heel, standard heel, which I want to download. So this on the other side, if we go here on this part, when we reverse this, it is going to rest on these two screws, which is not good. So I want to add 4 support blocks on 4 corners. So that is why I'm going to download here. So this is the item, support block E1936 1928 E1928. And if I look at here, SW is the slot width, right? Then M12, this is the screw type, M12 screw. Then L2, different dimensions are there, 18, this is 14, L3 14, this is 14. So many dimensions are there. I'm interested in this dimension 25 and this value M12. So how to download this? You can select this, so it will get added here. Then you click on this CAD. Okay, then go to CAD transfer here, so that you will get a preview of the component, and the type of download which you are looking at is also will come. So it is taking some time. Initially, if you load this, it may take some time. Okay, before that, no, we will continue this. First we will finish this, then we will continue with the other type. Okay, you can see the preview of the 3D model, and also you can see that download 3D, 2D is both the options are available. In the format, I'm going to select once again STEP format. Then if I click download here, I will get a link for downloading the 3D model in the step format. Okay, while downloading, I will add, so we know already this is M12 screw. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the plate here. This we will edit plate. Then we will create again some point. So go here, sketch, then just create a geometry point somewhere here. Then let us add a circle also. Let me check how much circle it is possible. So this is how much. So let us make it 25. So that we know how we are going to make this. Then okay, now we will give the dimension here, from this edge to this center point. This is okay, let us give 25, and from this edge to this edge, this point, so let us give 20. Okay, it is not a issue, because this all is not going to affect anything. So 25, 20 we have given. Then okay, now we will turn on the point, because it is also required point. Then we will go to hole, and we will make standard hole, and this is M12 into 1.75. The standard thread size is M12 in 1.75, and we will make it through hole, and here countersink we will give countersink. Go to shape so that we can see this. So here we will give 13, and exit countersink also we will give, so that is also 13. So through thread we will make through thread, then OK. Now we can mirror it. Go to mirror references this datum. No, not this datum. Go to references. So this plane we will remove. So this should work, right? Then OK. Now we will select both the hole and mirror. Hole and mirror we will select. Then mirror, go to mirror. Then we will select this datum here. Then OK. Okay, so we have created these 4 holes. Now we will activate the main assembly here. Activate and save it, because we don't want to see any kind of problem happening. Regenerate and save it. Okay, Control D. Control D. Okay, now let us see what is happened here. Okay, we got the link here. Now we can download this. So it will get downloaded here. Now you can go to show in folder here. Then this, okay, let me remove this too. Yes. Okay. Now this we will rename it. Rename. This is the say support block SB M12 into 25. Okay, something like this we will give. Then we will cut this. Cut. Close. Okay, minimize it. Then go to our folder. Our folder is here. In this we will paste it. Paste. Okay, then we will go here. Then same procedure. We will open it. So here change the type to STEP file format. Then SBM12 into 25. Then import. Then OK. Then we will save it. OK. Now we can close it. Now we will assemble SB M12 into 25. Open. Okay, then we can select this face and this surface here. Okay, then this bottom face and this top face. So this is coincident. Then OK. So now we can copy and paste. Control C, Control V. So SB, Control C, Control V. So now we will select this face. Then we will drag little bit and select this face. Okay. Then again Control C, Control V. So we can select this circular face here. Then we will, okay, actually it is not required. Placement here. So this one, remove. Okay, I want to, okay, make coincident. Okay, again Control C, Control V. So this face and this face. Okay. So now we have added the 4 support block as well. Now my intention is to add 2 more handle here. So for handle, let me first turn off the point display now. two more handle on this location and the other location. So same, we can go to the same website, Moisberger website. So let me remove this, remove. So now now okay, let it be. Okay, so now we will go once again to all, then we will go to once again here all standard elements accessories, and in this, okay, here so many clamping mechanism, everything is available. So let us go to here. Actually I want to add this kind of handle here, pull handle thermoplastic. So I'm going to use this handle here. So I want to see this distance L2 how much. L2 is L2, where is L2? L2 93.5, this dimension is 93.5. And what is the size of this? D2 is where is D2? D2 is 10.5. 10.5 means I can insert M6 screw, right? M6 screw I can insert. So going to download this particular component here, go here, then go to click this, then CAD transfer here. So our dimension was 93.5 and M6, right? 93.5. So we will make the holes on this plate. So let us do that. First of all, we will activate this, then go to sketch on this face, sketch. So let me turn on the plane display and the point display. All right. So now I will add a point. Okay, simply I will add a point here. Then I will give the dimension. So this should be 43.5 by 2, 43.5 by 2, 21.75. 21.75, and here we will give, okay, 11, we will give 11. Okay, 11 we will give, let me see. Okay, now we will create a hole here, hole. So this is standard, then go to M6 into 1, M6 into 1, then depth 15 is there, 15 should be all right. 15, it is not going to affect any, whether it will affect this hole or not, we have to see that. So countersink, shape, here we will add 6.5, then okay. Okay, then regenerate. So let me activate this, save. So before that, I want to ensure that my holes, everything is okay. So let me open it, open. Okay, here there is a problem, so I need to offset little bit. So let me do that. So I'm going to edit the sketch, edit definition. So this 21.75, 25.75. Let me do that. Let us check. Okay, now it should be all right. So let us check hidden line option, then go to some of the view normal to this view normal here. Oh, still there is a problem. I think I may have to use another one, right? So let me do that. Close. So just this model display we will change to shading with edges. So now actually we want to get another one. So this one I don't want. Let me check another available. So this 117 is there. So we will use this one. So go here. So before that, let me delete this. So CAD, so this is 117. So this L2 is 117. So CAD transfer. Okay, I have to tick here. CAD transfer. So that is 117. So let me go here. So I'm going to edit. First, I will activate this. Right, activate. Then go to the sketch. Edit definition. Then here this is 117 by 2. 117 by 2. Oh, again it is going to this hole. Let me see that. Okay. I think it will work. It will be all right, right? Let me see. This. Okay, I think we can control the depth here. So this now we will edit the hole. How much it is? So we will download. Let us download here. So let it download. So I want to see how much. 117 and D2 is 13.5. 13.5 means I can use the M8 screw, right? 8.5. H2 is 8.5. So M8 screw I can use. So let me edit this hole, edit definition, and this I will change to M8 into 1.25. Then shape. Here I will change to this. I will change to 9, and depth 20. I will reduce to this depth. I will reduce to 17, and this thread I will change to 15. Okay. So now it is not a big deal. Now I can mirror it. Go to mirror and select this plane. Okay, now I will select both the holes, then we'll go to mirror and select the not this one, this. Okay, right, so done. Now I can activate the main assembly, then regenerate, save it, regenerate it. Okay, now let me turn off these two things. So still there is a slight problem, so I will edit that hole. So there is okay, jig plate, open, and this depth we will reduce, hole, edit definition, this we will make it, go to shape, this we will make it 14, and the total depth we will make it 14, 15. So regenerate, save, then file, manage file, delete old versions, yes. Okay, then file close, Control D. Okay, now our download option should be ready. Now we can download. It's getting downloaded. Now go to show in folder, then this we will rename handle M8 into 117 M8 into 1, we won't give M8, okay, M8 into, okay, M8 117, then we will cut this, and we will paste it here, paste, then okay, close, then close, then go here as well, so this also will delete. Okay, let it be. Now we are going to assemble it, so before that we want to open it, so go here once again, select the STEP format, handle M8 117 STEP, import, then okay. So we can see that this is the handle, so save it, okay, close it, then assemble. So the handle, where is the handle, open. Now we will make this align with this hole, and this hole align with this hole, and this face with this face, coincident. Okay, right, now we will add 2 more screws for this M8 into, let me check the length, M8 into inspect, analysis, measure. So from here to here, how much? This is 8.5 plus 10, 12. So M8 into 20 we will use. M8 into 20 we will use. So for that, Again, let us go to this website. So go to screws, enter. So socketed screws, metric. So M8 1.25 into 20 is there. Then fully threaded, select this. Okay, let us move here, Control D. Now I will assemble one more, assemble. So handle open, or I can use this. Okay, so this particular hole and this particular hole is coincident. Then similarly, this hole with this hole coincident. Then this face and this face is coincident. Okay, right. So now we'll save it, regenerate, save it. Right, now this should be ready now. Okay, something is not going fine. So okay, select this, then M8 into 20, M8 into 20, then go to click the part number here. So go to product detail, then download. Go here, show in folder. So rename it, rename M8 into 20, M8 into 20, enter. Then this we will cut it, cut and paste it here. Now we will open, go to change the type step, STP, M8 into 20 step, import, okay, then save it, okay, close it, assemble, M8 into 20, open. So this face and this face coincident, not normal, coincident. Then this face with this face coincident, and tick. Now we will select this. Okay, same procedure we will add, Control C, Control V. So this face and this face, tick. Again Control C, Control V. We'll select this face, flip it, okay, right. Control C, Control V, this face and this face. Okay. So Control D. So this is the drill jig. So the function of this jig is you have to pull these two sliders. This is spring actuated. You can pull this on both sides so that you can take out the component. and you have to this while keeping this in a pulled condition, you have to insert the component. Maybe it is or there is okay some okay, this is the concept. Actually it is not a good design, because otherwise maybe we can add a taper here, so that when you push, okay, this is the concept. Actually I was intended, my intention was, so you pull this slider both the side, then insert the component in such a way that it will guide here. Here also profile is there, it will guide and it will locate. Once it is released from this point, it will automatically, the slider will come and hold it in position. Then you have to tighten these screws, so that it will press the component against this slider face, and you can keep it on the machine like this. Then you can drill these 4 holes and these 4 holes. Okay, so thanks for watching, thank you. So actually as per the productivity is concerned, why I have done such a design is that my intention was to use this reference in relation to the bottom surface, that is this face, and also I want to do all the 8 holes in one single operation, right? So so here some problem is there, but still I can manage it, because if I can pull this slider on both the side, or maybe I can add a screw or something like this, like here, so that I can maybe I need some additional methods when I use a screw to pull this outward, or some kind of some block I can use it, some kind of wedge block I can use it to press the slider, or I can provide an angle here and I can push it inside. Okay, so some additional method to be used to after coming to this stage only I realized that it is not very much productive, but the accuracy wise I have checked, I'm happy with it. Okay, thank you. So I'm ending this series of this turnover jig tutorial here, and thank you.